Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the ngAfterViewInit in Angular. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So this hook in Angular is used when you need to run some code after your HTML and the child components are fully loaded in the browser. So after view init. So fully loaded in the browser, your HTML and your child components. Why use ng after view init to access the HTML elements or the child components after they are created to perform the DOM related task or the logic that depends on the view being ready. So here you can see that simple one, we have the view that is div so the view is ready. So here you can see that I'm going to add this. Okay, my div, right? Now in this one I'm going to use in our main one app component. So let's import this. Okay, now I'm going to use this export implements after view init, and then we have the after view init part, and here I'm not using that one, so I'm going to remove it. Okay, so view child to access the div in the code, right? When the view is initialized, I'm going to use view child, and after view is initialized, I'm going to get the text of that one. Simple, very easy. So here you can see that hello Angular, because in this one we have mentioned hello Angular to get this reference with the help of the view child. In the after view init, after all view is loaded, I'm going to get this value. Whatever manipulation calculation I want to do with the div, I can do that. Okay, so whatever, like suppose when the div is coming, I want to get the value and want to change the text, change the font style, font family, anything I can do. So this is where we can use that one. Okay, so yeah, so ng view hook, it's like we have calls once after it is fully initialized the components view. So it calls at once including the child components and the templates used to perform the action that requires the components rendered dom or the child. Okay, so there were some scenarios. Let's have a look. So highlight an element after the view is rendered. So in that case, we can use that one. We can set the background color to be yellow or something. Okay, if the view is initialized, I can just change the color of that one. Here you can see. So I think I haven't added the view child highlighted. So I'm going to use this dot my dev. Okay, and the background color is to be yellow, you can see. So once the view is initialized, I can manipulate any changes. Okay, interacting with the child components, call a method or access the property of the child component, you can use that one. Okay, so next one, initializing the third party libraries. So initialize third party libraries like charts, sliders. In that case, after the view is rendered, you can use that one. Okay, animations, when view is fully loaded, you can add dynamically load the content in the specific area of the DOM. Okay, that is also the scenario, right? When and why to use to perform the initialization logic that depends on the view's DOM being available. In that case, you can use to interact with the child components or directives after the Angular sets them up to trigger the animations or other actions after the view is rendered. Okay, so this is where we can use that one. Any doubt, any query in that, do let in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.